हाय फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक। और आप सब लोग देख सकते हैं मेरे को, आज मैं भोजपुर आई हुई हूँ। तो अपने यूट्यूब पे मैं आज अपना भोजपुर ट्रिप को अपलोड करूँगी। सो टुडे आई एम इन टेम्पल नेम्ड भोजपुर। शंकर जी का मंदिर है ये, लॉर्ड शिवास टेम्पल दैट इज इन भोजपुर। एंड it is heated up, and the history of this Bhojpur temple is somewhat like this, that I will tell you after some while. So let me show you the temple first. You all can see Lord Shiva, his vehicle, his Vahan Nandi, Ganesh ji. Here his Vahan Nandi, he is an ox, but we all are just praying him, and he is Lord Shiva. That you can see stone, big stone, enormous one. So that's Lord Shiva's monument, and now we are going there inside to see. So let's get in, showing the temple from a height of almost some feet, I think 2 to 3 meters. You can see I'm standing here to show you. This is Lord Shiva. We all should pray him. And it is a snake, and there is foot that we should just touch its face. And you can see the structure of Lord Shiva there. He is in a form of a stone, and each and every stone in Hinduism are being considered as Lord Shiva. And you can see the wonderful sight over that area, the mountains and all that you can see. It is really at the amazing region. The topography and everything is really amazing. So now I have to go downwards. Oh my god, it is too much at height. You can see almost 1 meter. I have jumped for 1 meter. Now getting in from, oh my god, getting down. It was a bit difficult task for me to get there. So very well. Come on, let us go and see. So firstly I wanted to show you some monuments that you can see here. Okay, very well. You can see the monuments. They are the old staircases that are going. Now showing the Lord Shiva from much near area. The sizes of the steps are really too enormous that we have to take in our mind to get down. You all can see the size of Lord Shiva. Wow, it is really amazing to see the गुम्बद. जो यहाँ का गुम्बद है वो बहुत ही मनोरम है और देख के बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है। आप सब लोग जैसे कि देख सकते हैं बहुत बड़े शिव जी हैं, और इन शिव जी का इतिहास मैं आपको बाहर चल के बताऊंगी, अंदर में नहीं बताऊंगी। और हार्दिका जी यहाँ पे भगवान जी को प्रसाद चढ़ा रही हैं। आप प्रसाद चढ़ाइए। ओम नमः शिवाय, ओम नमः शिवाय। शंकर भगवान की हाइट आप लोग देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही हाइट पे है ये। यहाँ तक इनका जो टॉप है वो दिख नहीं रहा है। अब पूरा मंदिर टेम्पल घुमाती हूँ। You all can see each and everything here. And you all can see it is really fabulous to see Lord Shiva. She is my mama standing in front of Lord Shiva, but you can see the height. It is really too much to see, and I am also not capable to see the Lord Shiva completely at the till height. I have to do like this to see. Really amazing, मंदिर में आते हैं और एक हमारे मन में एक अलग ही सकारात्मकता जो भाव होता है वो अपने आप ही आ जाता है. So I guess you all are agree with my opinion. You can see Lord Shiva, and I will tell you the history or mystery or whatsoever you want to know. You can say this thing, and just will tell you. I know that I am not at all looking very appreciable because of dull light, dim light. You can understand now what I am trying to say. So that's why. And this temple that is being constructed here was constructed more than 4000 BC. आज से तकरीबन कितने 6000 वर्ष पूर्व इस मंदिर का निर्माण हुआ था महाभारत काल में. You all can see the wall pattern also there, and once it was having a handprint also, but I guess it have got renovated, so might be that's why it is not having now. But this shivling is made up of many stones that you can see being constructed, and I'm sure that you like this. Now let me go out and tell you the whole history. Going out from there, and oh my god, I'm going out just to tell you the history of this temple. You can see this adorable monument, this adorable statue, sculpture. It was made more than before 4000 years, and the Mughal who have came to India have broken out his or her hand. You all can see the beautiful monuments and all that have been destructed by the Mughals that have came to India once nearby some century ago, and just showing you, telling you the history of this temple. Let me go. You can see there that there something is written, that the engraved line drawing despite the sectional elevation of the shikhar portion of a temple. Oh wow. Means before the thousands year ago, 4000 years BC. At that time, the Aryabhartiyas were this much capable that they have done such a construction that it is still alive. Are you having such a beautiful monument? If you are having, so tell me. It would be more appreciable for me also to get to know that. और आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ये वैष्णो देवी हैं. वैष्णो देवी वैसे आप लोग सोचोगे कि ये भोपाल मध्य प्रदेश में कैसे आ गए, बट जो वैष्णो देवी थी ये पांडव की कुल माता थी, कुल देवी थी मतलब, तो इस वजह से उनके भी मंदिर को यहाँ पे पांडवों ने स्थापित किया है. पांडव यानी कि युधिष्ठिर, भीम, अर्जुन, नकुल और सहदेव. तो आप सब लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ये बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब इतना सुंदर यहाँ पे इसका आर्किटेक्चर हुआ है मंदिर का. Within a single day you can see the bell there. This really means what a finishing it is having, that you can't tell that it was constructed in Mahabharata Kal. That you can search on Google also. Now I am going to telling you the history of this temple. अब मैं आपको इस मंदिर का एक इतिहास बताऊंगी. So let's come on in front of the temple and there only I will tell you. So very well. I'm going above and above in the temple, seated on the comfortable place where the sunlight is also proper and everything is proper, and Shankar Bhagwan is also visible with his gadas and all. So telling you the history somewhat like this. In the front means the mountains that are present there in front of me that I can show you there. So that are having Bhim there, means that mountains are having Bhimbetika there. That was a place being given to the Pandavas at the time of अज्ञातवास. अज्ञातवास के समय में जो पांडव थे वो लोग भीमबेटिका में ही रहते थे, और जो कुंती थी पांडवों की माता, वो जो थी वो शिव भक्त थी. She was she used to pray Lord Shiva. So this temple is being constructed for her. Means Pandavas have asked the Lord Daksh to construct a temple for her so that she will be able to pray Lord Shiva in this temple. And I know that you all are thinking that somewhat that what I'm saying very well. No, don't think like this, because it is a natural story that I'm telling you. It is not a fake story or fairy tale. It is in Mahabharata also. So I'm having proof. Don't worry. I speak with the proof. So Mata Kunti at that time means you can see the size of the Lord Shiva, and at that time Mata Kunti was used to sit down and just apply the water over Lord Shiva, as we are doing just now by matlab sitting on our foot, that alti palti that we can say in our common word. So at that time जैसे हम लोग यहाँ पे पालथी मार के शिव जी के ऊपर जल चढ़ाते, वैसे कुंती भी उनके ऊपर ऐसे ही पालथी पे बैठ के जल चढ़ाती थी. आप साइज देखिए और आज देखिए. तो जैसे हमारे लिए ये शंकर भगवान है, वैसे उनके लिए कुंती के लिए ये वाले शंकर भगवान है. तो अब आप सब लोग समझ सकते हैं कि पहले जमाने में लोग की हाइट कितनी होती थी. और ये आप लोग जो देख रहे हैं आर्किटेक्ट, और जो लोग आप लोग जो यहाँ पे ये आर्किटेक्चर देख रहे हैं लॉर्ड शिवा का, बहुत बड़ा है. और आप लोग गैस करके बताइए ये कितने दिनों में बना होगा. टेल मी फास्ट इन कमेंट एंड देन आई विल टेल यू. सो आप लोग कमेंट कर दिए होंगे, आई होप सो. तो जो ये शंकर भगवान का ये पूरा मंदिर बना हुआ है, पूरा टेलिंग यू फ्रॉम द टॉप टू द बॉटम, राइट टू द लेफ्ट, साइड बाय साइड. तो जो मंदिर बना हुआ है ये सिर्फ एक दिन में बना है. विद इन अ सिंगल डे दिस होल मॉन्यूमेंट, दिस होल स्ट्रक्चर इज बीइंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड with what a sharp finishing that you can see here also. See, each and every leaf is visible. This means you can see the beautiful sculpture area, that it is pointed, it is circular in shape, then it is again total proper circle. And means before 4000 years BC the technology was at the higher level, means at the level that we can't even imagine nowadays. You all can see because Lord Shiva is here in front of us. I am here with you all, and what a beautiful scenery is there, and it is really means giving me too much positive vibes that I can't tell you. So thank you so much for watching the video till end, and I'm sure that you have commented that how this monument is for you, and just tell me, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day. और आप लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ये वैष्णो देवी हैं. वैष्णो देवी वैसे आप लोग सोचोगे कि ये भोपाल मध्य प्रदेश में कैसे आ गई, बट जो वैष्णो देवी थी ये पांडव की कुल माता थी, कुल देवी थी मतलब. तो इस वजह से उनके भी मंदिर को यहाँ पे पांडवों ने स्थापित किया है. पांडव यानी कि युधिष्ठिर, भीम, अर्जुन, नकुल और सहदेव. तो आप सब लोग यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं ये बहुत ही ज्यादा मतलब इतना सुंदर यहाँ पे इसका आर्किटेक्चर हुआ है मंदिर का. Within a single day you can see the bell there. This really means what a finishing it is having, that you can't tell that it was constructed in Mahabharata Kal. That you can search on Google also.